So the problems from last episode, so when the shelves were a bit high, and when he...
Reliving my trauma. How you doing, mate? You good?
Yeah. Did we get?
So last week with the issues with the windows and the doors, that's about to be rectified. As for the shelves, we've had to move them to the left about 300 mil.
I mean, we sorted it by communicating. We're here at the right time where we had the opportunity to make the change without, you know, too much pain. And now the shelves are going to be at a height once they're on the wall that's ideal for customers. So what was a problem is not a problem anymore, and that's what we want. So plan for today is to see the furniture coming into the store. We've got a week left and there's loads to do. The paint machine's being installed, the rest of the vintage furniture's arriving. So lots of little bits that need to happen this week in order for the store to be ready for trade. The machines are in. I think there's a bit of muscle required to get them in the door and down the stairs, but they're in the spot. They're all set up, they're all working. We've just done the training on the machines for mixing and tinting the paint, and yeah, it's ready to go. So now it's just about getting the rest of the store team trained on the machine and then getting them making paint for customers. And then another delivery that's happened today is the furniture that's all been custom made just south of London, and it's so good to see in person. I mean, it looks incredible. Beautiful walnut furniture that Oscar has designed, even better than I could have imagined, so I'm really excited to see it in place. So during this week they'll be fitting all of that and tidying up the site and getting it ready to put paint on the shelves and start serving customers. So next step is basically getting this furniture in, getting the store all finished and cleaned up and ready for photography, and then we'll do a shoot of the store so that we can share those images with our customers and anyone else who's interested before they visit, get people excited about it, and then we'll open the store very shortly after that.